Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making candles. Y'all, I've never made candles before, but like I feel very motivated. That's the word I'm looking for. I feel really motivated to get some stuff done today. So I want to make some candles. I thought that it would be fun to film this, whether I fail or succeed. So we'll see. Either way, I'm going to attempt to do it. So I guess I'm just going to bring y'all along for the journey. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to take these glasses off because it's a glare. But okay, so in the last clip you just saw, I said that I was like about to go make candles. I ended up making myself breakfast, but now I'm ready to make candles. So what I'm gonna do is I've laid out my whole setup here. Let me adjust this so y'all can see. There we go. I got my whole set, and I bundled up because it's really cold in my house right now. I put a jacket on and put some sweats on, so I'm really comfortable right now. But what I did was I set up the 3 candles I'm gonna make in the scents. This is the soy candle wax. My friend had got me a candle making like kit, and then I went to Hobby Lobby and got extra stuff because I'm making an extra candle. But this is the wax that came in the kit in the microwavable safe cup or bowl or whatever that they asked for, and then it came with 2 scents. This one is the Gardenia, I hope I said that right, the Gardenia fragrance, and then it came with the sandalwood fragrance as well. And then I bought the Japanese cherry blossom just because I love this scent. It smells so good, and that's the one I'm gonna be putting in the heart-shaped candle thing. This is, I don't think this is meant for candles, but I saw it and I thought it was cute. And then it has these regular, it came with these tiny little candle things, like candle holders. And I've already glued down the little wicks with hot glue. And I read the instructions last night, by the way, but I have the wax in here, and I even bought extra wax just in case I run out, but I don't think I am. We're just gonna get started and we're just gonna kind of wing it. We're gonna see. So I put all the wax in here, so I need to pour some of it out. It's about half, right? Okay. And then it says to microwave the wax in 30-second intervals. So I'm gonna do that. I so wish I could do more. I can't do more. I don't know. Yeah. But my wax is melting. It's lit. So the wax is now completely melted. I want to say it probably took about 3 minutes to melt it in 30-second intervals. I think I'm gonna add, this candle is gonna be the Gardenia fragrance, so we're gonna add, it says 8 to 10 drops, but I'm probably doing more than that. I did about 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. That's like literally like probably the whole thing, because I want it to be strong. And then we're just gonna mix that in there. Mix it in there with the hot wax. And then I'm supposed to pour this in here. I'm trying to think, like, does this smell strong enough? Like, it still smells like the wax stuff. I'm gonna just put all of it in here. I know it says not to do that. But who cares? They only gave me, they didn't even fill up this whole bottle. So I just pour the whole thing. Okay. There we go. Ooh, that smells really strong. And I'm gonna just pour that in there like that. And I'm just gonna have the wick stay right there. And then I'm gonna let it harden. And then when that's hardened, I will cut the wick shorter. I think I filled it up a little too much, but that's okay, that's fine. And now I'm gonna put the rest of the wax in this cup. Oh my goodness, I did not think this through. There we go. Ooh. There we go. Put the rest of the wax in here for the next candle. And now we're gonna start melting these wax chips. Don't forget, you gotta do 30-second intervals. I actually really like this gardenia fragrance. It smells like really flowery. So that smells good. Let me open this. Yeah, it smells like, it kind of reminds me of like my mom's perfume. Like it kind of smells like my mom. Smells really sweet. Okay, so it's getting there. It's starting to melt. This is now minute 3. So like I said, I think it takes about 3 minutes to heat up all the way. So I've melted the second batch of wax. Y'all, this is going pretty smoothly so far. And I'm really excited about it. I'm actually a little scared because, you know, if this goes like without a hitch, then again, it's like, how hard is it to make candles? So yeah, now I'm adding the second one. This is the sandalwood one. And we just gonna do what I did with the last one, throw all the fragrance in here, because why the H not? Ooh, this one smells really good. I like this. I like this one. I enjoy it. And then I'm gonna use a stick and mix her in there. Real good. This is really fun, y'all. It's really easy. That's the part that's kind of scaring me. I'm like, is it supposed to be this easy? Okay, now I see why they give the sticks to keep the wick in place, because this wick, she's just trying to go all over the place. I need you to stay in. Oh goodness, this is not. See, I know I spoke too soon, because obviously. Okay, there we go. I have the wick in place. Ooh, I think I definitely poured a little too much. I think it'll be okay. So now I'm gonna just, while that starts to harden, I am going to do the third batch of, what's these things called? Wax bead thingy-majiggers. So now these ones didn't come with any instructions, so I'm just gonna do what I did with the last one and try and melt these in 30-second intervals. This one I'm most excited for because this one is going in the heart. How cute is she? I hope these melt properly and I don't mess it up. Let's find out. The wax finally melted and I added the Japanese cherry blossom scent, which smells divine, by the way. And I had to do it, I'm dropping stuff. I had to add like more drops just so it would be like really strong because I really like this scent. But I had to do 2 batches of wax because I didn't really think of how big this one was compared to the other ones. See, now look, this one has hardened pretty well. And this one is hardened too, but if you can see, like there's a little spot like right there that kind of caved in, but that's fine. And this one, there's a little spot that caved in right there too, but you can't see it as much. But I'm gonna wait for them all to harden. But they turned out good. Well, so far, they turned out pretty okay. I'm gonna wait for them to completely harden and then I'm gonna burn them, well, light them and see if they actually smell good. Okay. So we have the moment of truth. All 3 of my candles are, all 3 of my candles are hardened. The heart one isn't completely hardened, but hardened enough. So at first smell, they all smell really good. So I'm gonna light them up. Yes, I'm gonna light them at the same time because why the heck not? All I have is like this barbecue lighter. It's cute that it's pink. And we're gonna We're gonna see if they actually work. So I think this one is the I think this is the saddlewood. I have to label them. This is so cute. I think this one is my favorite because he's so hard. We're gonna see. I'm just gonna wait. They're playing music in the apartment next to mine, and they're playing Janae Go. Smells good. Or not smells good, it sounds good. No, this one I'm smelling. I smell this one for sure, but then again, I added a lot of fragrance to this one. So yeah, but I'm gonna blow it out. See, and it doesn't, the thing about it is like, I blew it out, and you know how usually when you blow out candles, you can smell, oh wait, no, I smell it now. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna blow these out because I'm actually gonna use these later. But overall, it worked. I'm excited that it worked. Now I know how to make candles. I guess it wasn't like super complicated or anything, but it was still really cool because I've never made candles before. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this. My candles worked, and I'm really excited that they worked. Now I'm gonna be making more candles and stuff, I guess. So yeah, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. Wanna make some candles?